Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Nelly. Thank you so much for watching. Today I'm going to be working on a creepy puppet look. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and also hit the notifications button so that way you're always notified whenever I release new videos. Also, you guys, I'm always open to special requests for looks in the future or even suggestions. Always feel free to hit me up about anything like that. And I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I hope you guys enjoy it.